truth is you're beautiful, yeah, you're beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is an unboxing video, and it is the unboxing video for the Medela. You guys, I get so excited about this breast pump because I've actually already used it, so I know how good it is. It's the breast pump. I looked over here because it's over here, but it's the breast pump that I used with my first son, and I was blessed by my sister. I don't think she really used it like that. Excuse me. So she passed it on to me to use it. So I mean, you guys, it's like just about equivalent to the one that the hospital actually uses. It has like super suction. So I didn't really have a problem with breastfeeding anyway, with like pumping and producing milk, should I say. I didn't have a problem with that, but the Medela made it that much better. So if you are looking for a breast pump that will also assist you, or even do the work for you, definitely go with the Medela. This right here is the Medela. Yes, check with your insurance. This very one that I have right here was actually provided for me by my insurance. My insurance covered the whole thing. Medelas run anywhere from $180, I believe, all the way to, I think I saw some for $3 something. So anywhere between $180 and $3 something. This one right here that I have was $250, and it was covered by my insurance. So make sure you check with your insurance what they do cover so that you can get what you need for your baby. So let's get started. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. This is how it looks. Ooh, I almost dropped it, you guys. This is how the bottle looks. I said the bottle. This is how the box looks, you guys. And this is everything that is in the box. Let me read it to you guys. It says that this box right here contains 1 breast pump, 1 bag, 1 cooler, 1 cooling element, 4 breast milk bottles, 4 lids, 2 24mm breast shields, 2 connectors, 2 valves and membranes, 1 complete tubing, 1 battery pack, 1 power adapter, and 1 instruction for use. So we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Okay, so this is how it looks when it comes out the box. Pocket on the side, pocket on the side, pocket in the back, and then this flap right here. When you unzip this flap, ooh, let me look at it first, you guys, because I didn't even know this was in here. Well, when you unzip the flap, this lady was so sweet. She added all these goodies for me. So these are disposable nursing pads. I'm not sure if it's already gonna come with this. I can't remember if that's one of the things we read, but I do know that she gave me extra, so that's really sweet. So when you open it, it looks like this. And this is where you click the 2 tubes in, where you put the 2 tubes in this part right here. And then it has different settings. It has a minimum all the way to a maximum settings with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different levels. It looks like. Zip that up. And this is all the goodies. Coupons for Medela stuff. This is the instruction manual. Information guide. More disposable nursing pads. I'm going to show you guys this in a second. Adapters and plug-ins. And this is a little cooling case, I believe. And on the inside of it, yay! The cooling things in the 4 bottles. These are how the bottles look. And they look just about the same size, all 4 of them. Let's see. 5-ounce bottle. And then, yeah, so they're all 5-ounce bottles. I really think they're more like 6, 7, but yeah. And this is the little thing you put in the freezer, the cooling pouch thingy pack, and that's this. And then I believe you take this up so you can hold it like this. So this is good for traveling. But then this whole bag really is good for traveling. Okay, so it does come with these things right here. You guys probably want me to open this, right? Let me go ahead and open this for you guys. So you take this right here, you attach this to it, and then you take your tube. There's 2 tubes in here, one for each breast. Take your tube and you attach it to, you can see this. There's a little spot for it right, well, I think it's this side. There's a little spot for it right there. See that? And then you screw on your bottle right here. And you attach this right in front. I hope you guys can see this. Right here. That little spot. And then you set it to whatever setting you want it on, which is right over here. I like to do max because max is the fastest. So it should look a little something like this, but the bottle will be attached right here and it goes on like that. Okay? So that is the Medela, you guys. Take it from me. This is the best, or let me say one of the best, because I'm sure that there's somebody out there who feels like they may know a better breast pump. I haven't found it, and I think if you ask most moms who have tried this and have tried another breast pump, I'm telling you, they always come back to Medela. Even when you do call the insurance, what I notice is the first one they offer, they actually, do you want a Medela? Yes, always say yes if they offer you the Medela, because the Medela is really, 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 really good. Like, I did try the one at the hospital. That's a good one too, but at the beginning you're really producing the colostrum, the first milk, you know, the antibiotics and all that good stuff for the baby before the real liquid gold, before the real good stuff comes out. So, and that takes a little bit of time as well. But if you ask me, breast is best. I feel like God designed it that way and he knows what he's doing. So of course breast is best for me. And I would advise every mother, if you do have a chance to breastfeed, make sure you do that. Not only for bonding, but also it has a lot of medical benefits as well. So I will advise every mother to breastfeed if you have that opportunity. I do know that there's some situations where that is not possible, but if it is possible for you, I would definitely highly suggest that you breastfeed. And if you're not able to have the baby to the actual breast, make sure you invest for the Medela. Let me put it down. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like it, comment, subscribe, give me your thoughts. And if you do think that there is seriously another breast pump out there that is better than Medela, please do let me know. I think we all want to know, as a matter of fact. But until then, you guys, the Medela is bomb. I'm telling you, if you're looking for the best or one of the best breast pumps, make sure you get the Medela. At least try it. And there's different kinds, like I said. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Bye guys.